Hi, I'm Edward. My wife and I did a short sale just with Lathe. When we met Lathe, we didn't know what we were going to do. We had a lot of unanswered questions and nobody answers them for us. There were so many different opinions and things being said. We're just very confused. After we sat down with Lathe, we were really impressed by how he was able to answer everything. He took away our stress, we listed our home and had an offer. We just couldn't believe it. The home was sold and we got to move on with our lives. If you're thinking about short selling, we would highly recommend that you talk to Lathe. We just want to thank Lathe and his team for helping us to move on with our lives. Again, thank you very much.